Hello everyone. Do you ever wonder what is a city? A city is an area that has a lot of places such as an airport. I love to go on the airplane. Oh wait, there's much more. Just don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bakery. Oh, there's so many yummy treats in there. The bank. There's lots of money there. Barber shop. I can't wait until I have my next haircut. The bookstore. I like to read books. Butchers. My dad loves the fresh meat. Cinema. Cinemas. They're so comfy. Circus. There's a lot of funny clowns there. City Hall. Interesting conferences are made there. Coffee shop. Yum. There is a lot of coffee. The court. My uncle works there. Dentist? Ooh, I'm scared. Factory. Big quantities are made in small time. Farm? Aw, the cute animals. The fire station. Oh no, there's a fire next door. Hurry! Hotel. Isn't that the comfiest place? Hospital. I wished fast recovery for every patient. House. That's so playful. Ice cream shop. That's a yummy place. Gym. Great place to keep in shape. Library. Read and put the books back, pals. Mall. That's my favorite place. Masjid. I love to pray in the masjid. Museum. A lot of interesting stuff are there. Park. Ooh, that's fun. Petrol Station. Be sure to fill your car always. Police Station. Call 911 for fast help. I love polices. Post office. Ooh, did I forget to grab my mail? I'm gonna probably grab it tomorrow. Supermarket. Oh, Mom, never stop going for shopping. Tailor. Ooh, I should really get a new coat. Restaurant. Ooh, I have a nice joke for that. What did one plate say to the other? Lunch is on me. School. I go there every morning. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Train station. Ooh, I can't wait for my next trip. University. Oh, I'm so excited until I grow up and go to university. The zoo. I hope the animals didn't run out again. Comment about more places you know. Thank you.